Well, here it is, your beautiful trumpet. I love how it shines in the case, almost like treasure, and we want to treat it like that. It's really important that we take good care of the trumpet because a trumpet can last you a lifetime. This trumpet here is over 60 years old. When you're not playing the trumpet, you don't want to just rest it anywhere. You want to put it down either on this side of the horn very gently. You never want to rest it on this side of the horn because this second valve can get damaged if you put the horn on top of it. So either put it in your case or put it on a trumpet stand or rest it very gently on the backside of the instrument here. The way we take care of our trumpet is we always store it in the case in a very safe place away from any danger. So you want to put your trumpet in the case, take your mouthpiece, put it in the mouthpiece slot, close the case, and make sure you either zip up or latch your trumpet case all the way. Because if we pick up the case and it's not latched, your trumpet falls out and then it gets damaged. Then you want to take your case and you want to put it in a safe place, like a closet or under your bed or somewhere where your little brothers and sisters can't get to it. And you certainly don't want to leave it in the car or anything like that. That's how you take care of a trumpet, and that's how it's going to last you a lifetime.